Hello everyone, it's Remy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hair mask that you can do at home. Super easy, super affordable, and it makes your hair amazing. This hair mask helps with dry scalp, dandruff, psoriasis, hair growth, hair thinning. If you just want luscious, shiny hair, your hair is about to be the softest and shiniest it's ever been. No joke. What? That's a big claim to be making about a hair mask. I know, but it really does help so much and it's amazing. I've been doing it honestly for forever. I kind of grew up with my mom doing this hair mask. That's how I know about it. I don't know if you guys growing up, if your moms were using things like eggs and mayonnaise and weird oils and just creating concoctions and doing these crazy hair masks, but they work. They're pretty amazing. So yeah, you're not going to be putting mayo or eggs in your hair today though. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this video. If you guys like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a like to let me know. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Let's go ahead and jump on into the video. So you can do this mask two ways. You can do it with one ingredient or with two. I usually do it with two, but I'm actually moving out of my apartment tomorrow morning and everything is packed up. So I'm just going to be using the one main ingredient today, and that is kefir. If you guys have ever heard of kefir, this stuff is bomb. Drink it, put it on your hair, put it on your skin, it just bomb.com. So depending on how much hair you have, you want to take some kefir and then you want to make sure that it's organic. Do not get it if it's not organic. The organic kind is what has the good bacteria in it that's really going to help us with all of our scalp and hair issues. So depending on how much hair you have, you want to mix a little bit of kefir and then a little bit of honey into a bowl. The honey is going to help give you that extra shine and softness, but this is really going to help a lot with all the things I mentioned before. All of my hair stuff is already packed up, so what I'm going to do is just take a regular bowl, but if you have a smaller bowl, that's probably going to be better and less messy. So yeah, I'm just taking a bowl and I'm going to pour some of this in here, and if I had honey, I would put my honey in here, and then you just literally put it all over your hair. So I really like to focus this on my scalp. I've shared before on my channel that I do have scalp psoriasis, unfortunately. It's one of those super sucky things that I wish I didn't have, but this mask helps a ton with the itchiness and the flakiness of it. So yeah, if you have psoriasis as well, this is going to help you a ton with that. Oh wait, before I do that, you want to shake it up really well. I have pretty long hair, so I'm just going to pour enough for my hair, which I feel like, oh, you guys can't see that, hold on.
So I just took about that much, and that's going to be a good amount to cover all of my hair with.
All right, now I'm just going to put my hair down, and my hair is kind of already combed out, and you don't have to comb it out if you don't want to, but I just like to kind of get it like really evenly. It's definitely wash day, as you can see. Curls, where? Let's do this thing, shall we? So what I like to do is to take a little brush so that I can really focus this on my problem areas on my scalp, especially where I have the psoriasis. So I'm just gonna coat my brush, and then I just put it on my scalp like this. You basically want to leave this on your scalp until it completely dries. When kefir dries up, it's kind of like, think of like yogurt when it dries up, how it gets all like crusty and flaky. That's how you're gonna know it's time to wash it off. I love doing face masks with this as well. It's so amazing for the skin. Our skin also needs that good bacteria. So spread the love. Then I just take my finger and I just part my hair to the next side and put it like that. By the way, I hope everyone is good and safe right now. This quarantine has done everything to me. It's driven me nuts. It's given me like peace of mind. It's made me happy. It's made me cry. It's done everything. I just want to like take a nice vacation somewhere. What about you guys? Let me know what you guys want to do. First thing you want to do once quarantine is over. I like to hold it over my head just in case anything drips. Now that my scalp is nice and covered, I'm going to take the rest of the mask and put it all over my hair. So this stuff is kind of thick, so I can just kind of like scoop it up with my fingers. Ow. Got it on my pants. Whatever. You know what? I'm just gonna dip my hair in the bowl. Just get it all up in there. Really nice. While I wait for the mask to dry, I'm going to whiten my teeth, and today I'm actually going to be using this little kit that got sent to me, but I always like to use baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. This whitening kit is from Dr. Bright. It was sent to me forever ago, like I think it was actually sent to me last year, and I couldn't use it because I had a bunch of attachments on my teeth from my Invisalign. Now that I don't, I am going to try it, finally. So first I'm gonna see what shade my teeth are right now. So I think I'm like a 6 or a 7. Then I'm gonna dry off my teeth. Oh, ew. Do my teeth look wider? I feel like they kind of do. Let's see. So before I was like a 6 or a 7. I feel like maybe I'm like a 4 now maybe. It said it would make my teeth 6 shades whiter. That didn't happen. Ew. There's a bunch of like gooey stuff all over my teeth. My hair mask is pretty much dry. So I'm gonna go take a shower and wash all of this milk out of my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY hair mask. Let me know if you guys give it a try. Someone commented on my video and was like, must you always flip your hair in every video? And I'm like, yeah. So I won't do that in this video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a like, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!